everyone, I'm Seohee teacher. Today I'm gonna read the story about the lion and the hedgehog. Once upon a time, there was a lion who ruled the jungle. Although he looked scary, lion was a fair king to those who deserved it. One day after having his lunch, lion fell asleep under a tree. A playful hedgehog saw the sleeping lion from a distance.
He's perfect for a playground.
Moving quietly to the lion, Hedgehog jumped onto lion's nose and slid down his tail.
Ooh, this is so fun!
Annoyed, lion woke up from the noise and grabbed the hedgehog. He opened his big mouth to punish the hedgehog. Hedgehog quickly realized his mistake. He bowed, begging,
I'm sorry for bothering you. I promise that if you spare me, I will help you when you need it.
Lion accepted the deal.
You're lucky that I just ate. You're free to go.
Hedgehog said.
Thank you, King. I will never forget your kindness.
Few days later, Lion was hunting for his lunch. Out of the corner of his eyes, he saw something rustling in the bushes. Lion quickly pounced on the bush, but he found himself in a net hanging upside down. Hunters came up from behind the tree, watching as Lion struggled to escape.
What a beast! We're going to need something bigger to carry him back.
When the hunter left to find the cart, Lion desperately pulled the net. However, he couldn't free himself, so he roared.
Help, I'm stuck.
Hedgehog, who had been spinning on his back, perked up.
The king is in danger. I must return the favor.
He ran to the lion and saw him stuck in the net. Hedgehog used his spiky spines to cut the net.
Thank you for saving me. Now let's run away before hunters come back. Hold it tight.
Lion tossed Hedgehog onto his mane and sprinted as far away as possible. Lion and Hedgehog realized the importance of helping each other, and from that day on, they became best friends. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe and like the video. Bye!